He's 33. He never went to college. And yet, Graham Stephan has made over $20 million by teaching people about money on YouTube. But here's what no one tells you. Is he really a self-made finance genius? Or did he just ride the wave of early YouTube at the right time in the right place? Because let's be honest, how many of us skipped coffee and still aren't millionaires? If you've ever wondered whether his success is replicable or just a lucky fluke, this video will break it down like never before. And stick around to the end, because I'll share what you can take from his journey and how to start building your financial story from scratch. Even if you're 16 and broke, Graham Stephan didn't come from money. Born in 1990 in Santa Monica, California, his dad was a writer for cartoons like Tom and Jerry. His mom stayed home. At 18, he skipped college, got his real estate license, and went to work. He started showing $3 million homes while still living with his parents. Imagine showing someone their dream mansion and then taking the bus home. But here's where things get interesting. Instead of flexing his commissions, Graham saved almost everything. He drove the same used car for years, ate canned beans, tracked every dollar on a spreadsheet. Was that genius? Maybe. Or maybe it was fear of being broke. Either way, it laid the foundation. In 2016, Graham posted his first YouTube video, Why I Bought a Tesla as a Real Estate Agent. It got 2,000 views. Not viral, not life-changing. But Graham was consistent. He didn't chase trends. He didn't fake luxury. He talked about credit scores, house hacking, how he spends $1.50 on coffee instead of $5. And then 2020 happened. The world shut down. The stock market tanked. And suddenly, everyone cared about their money. Boom! Graham's channel exploded. From a few 100,000 subscribers to over 3 million. He began making over $100,000 a month, just from YouTube ads. But here's the question. Was that genius? Or did the algorithm just love him during the pandemic? Well, let's break it down. There's no doubt. Graham worked insanely hard. He filmed daily, edited himself, studied YouTube like a science. He reinvested, stayed frugal, built systems. That's skill. But also, he was early. YouTube finance in 2016 was like buying Bitcoin at $200. There weren't many creators doing what he was doing. So the spotlight found him, faster. Graham still claims he lives on less than $40,000 a year, but owns over $10 million in real estate. So is he lucky? A little. Is he smart? Definitely. But most of all, he's disciplined, relentlessly consistent. While most of us scroll aimlessly, Graham built. He didn't wait to feel ready. He just started, and that's the real genius. So, what can you learn from Graham Stephan? You don't need to be a real estate agent. You don't need millions. But you do need what Graham had. A niche, extreme consistency, a long-term mindset, doubt, luck, privilege. Yes, those exist. But so does opportunity, especially in 2025. And guess what? In the next video, I'll break down exactly how Graham makes his money today and the side hustles Gen Z can copy right now to start their own path to freedom. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. Is Graham a genius, lucky, or both? And don't miss what's coming next. It might just change your financial future.